Let's take a moment to review the Whitman Virtual Assembly expectations. Be respectful. Please mute your computer and please turn off your cameras after you have greeted your friends. Be responsible. Chat will be used before the assembly starts each month and turned off once we get started. When the assembly is over, please log off and go to your class meeting. Be safe. Go to your class meeting when the assembly is over. Have fun and enjoy the show. Congratulations to all Whitman Wildcats for showing up and doing your best. Keep up the great work and enjoy the show.
We are now going to take a moment to do a land acknowledgement to honor the land we now call Portland. The land we now call Portland were the traditional homes of the Multnomah, Willamette, Clackamas, Cowlitz bands of the Chinook, Tualatin, Kalapuya, Molalla tribes. We are here because of the things they were forced to give up and go without, and are forced to continue to give up and go without. We honor them and thank them.
Yeah, I'm a wildcat. I'm at Whitman, not a kitten, and I'm on a mission. I listen and we pay attention. When I'm in the pit, I don't quit, I'm persistent. There's no community without unity. We're diverse and come together beautifully. We show up, turn up, yeah, you know it's lit. I take charge of my learning, that's ownership. Our teachers encourage and empower us. If we have an issue, we circle up and discuss. We're safe and kind, that's our plan. Responsible and hold the future in our hands. I could read, I could write, do math, I could floss, I could dab, I can think critically like a boss. We respect and accept everybody as they are. Ask Whiskers, he'll tell you we're the best by far. Whitman Wildcats, Whitman Wildcats, Whitman Wildcats, Whitman Wildcats. Roar!
Put your brave in front. Be brave enough to stand up and speak, or be brave enough to sit down and listen. I was brave when I was going to have I was brave when I was going to have another sister. What helped me is I talked to my mom about it a lot. I asked her what it's going to be like and what it's going to feel like.
I was brave how to do what was 4 plus 5. I counted my fingers and kept on going, and then I knew it.
I was brave when I first got on the saddle to a horse and I was scared, but what made me what made me brave was that I knew that I loved them and I could do it.
When I was brave, I am in kindergarten. I was nervous, and what made me calm down was taking big breaths.
I'm brave about doing math. Sometimes I'm fine about it. Sometimes I whine. If I whine, I take some breaths, and then I'm fine.
I was brave when I recorded my video. Something I did to help myself was I gave my mom a hug.
Okay. I was brave when I got my first flu shot, and something that helped me was not panicking or try to run away.
I was brave when I broke my arm. And I was brave when I jumped off of the big ledge in parkour. I was also brave when I did flips on the bars in parkour. And here's what helped me feel brave was, okay, well, with my arm, it's okay now. I tried not to cry. And I only cried a little bit. Oh yeah, and I think of super delicious things that in parkour when I jumped off the big ledge, and 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 when I was doing flips on the bars, I was saying, "I can do this! I can do this! I can do this!" in my head.
I was brave when I got a flu shot. And when I got brave, Mommy just held my hand. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm going to be brave at doing gymnastics. I did a forward roll like a somersault, but standing up. And, I was really scared. I was like really scared. But I tried it. But I said, wow, I did it. Something helped me to be brave, asking the teacher for help and practicing a lot. Bye.
So how you should be staying brave would be doing something over and over until you get it.
Okay.
And redo, and also saying that you can do it, like I know you can do it, like that. And also to be brave, compliment people, they compliment you, saying, yeah, you can do it, go, you can do it, you're so brave, and like that. So I can tell you guys one story. One time I was at Naked Falls and I jumped off a cliff and I was really scared to do it, but I was brave. My dad told me to hold his hand and I did it, and then he let go and then I jumped. Fine.
Okay. The thing I did brave was go to kindergarten, and the thing that made me feel better when I was brave, to make myself brave, is to take 3 deep breaths. Volcano breath, rainbow breath, and the flower breath. I did 3 kinds of breaths. I was brave of doing front flips on the trampoline because I told myself that I can do it.
Hello, Whitman Wildcat Superstars. I am Miss Yennefer. I teach kindergarten at Whitman, and I'm here to announce my winners. My first student for academic achievement is Blaine, who loves to learn and is willing to always challenge himself. And my second student is Nikki, who is so brave. She used to be shy when we had to do some sharing in classroom, but now she is so brave and will take a risk, and we are proud of you. Woohoo!
Hi, it's Miss Ness from kindergarten. This month, we have Cam as an award winner for being brave. Cam joined our class after the school year had already started. He is learning so many new routines and so much new information. He tries hard every day. He comes to class. He answers questions and is involved and participating. That shows a lot of bravery, especially when you're new to a class. Great job, Cam. We have an award for the academic achievement, which is going to Zelda, also known as Zuzu. Zelda comes to every class meeting. She also does her activities outside of school, like Seesaw and Math Shelf and Lexia. Zelda tries every day. She participates by raising her hand and sharing her ideas. Even when she's not sure, she knows that mistakes can only help her learn. She also tries to do a lot of things on her own outside of school, like trying other apps and reading books and getting help from her sister and grown-ups when she needs it. She is an all-around wonderful student. Congratulations, Zelda.
Hi, I am Miss Joanne, and today I would like to congratulate 2 first grade students in my class who have done an amazing job this year. First, I'd like to congratulate Acacia Rose Pierre-Lewis for her amazing improvement in all areas of online learning. Awesome work, Acacia. Keep it up. And I'd like to congratulate Raylyn Miller Ramirez for her bravery and perseverance in doing all of our online learning and having such great participation and a wonderful attitude. So thank you so much, first graders. Keep it up.
Hi, Whitman Wildcats. It's Miss Doe. I miss you all so much. I'm here to recognize 2 first grade scholars, and one is Havana Garrido Meyer for being so brave. Thank you, Havana, for having the courage to speak up about how you feel, about questions you have, and for redoing your mistakes, and we learn from them. So thank you for being a great example of being brave. And the second friend I'd like to recognize is Sydney Doe Davis. Thank you so much, Sydney, for sharing your thinking and your strategies on Seesaw in our class meetings, and especially during our math groups. We learned so much from you, and I thank you again also having the courage to talk about your learning and your strategies.
Hi, Whitman Wildcats. This is Mrs. McAleer in 2nd grade. This month I wanted to acknowledge 2 amazing students in my class. First, I wanted to give an award to Amanda Lask. We've been learning about being brave and how we can show others are brave. She has been an expert in helping the class understand why it's important to be brave and how we can show it through our words and actions. It takes a person of character to be able to choose kind words that don't hurt their friends, and that person is Amanda. My second award goes to Vivian Nguyen for academic achievement. She has been going above and beyond to make sure she is coming to all of her classes, completing her Seesaw activities, and meeting her weekly Lexia and Dreambox goals. She is being such a great role model. I'm so proud of both of you. Keep up the great work, and I hope you all have a happy holidays.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Mariko. I'm here to announce the 2 winners of our awards this month, and I have nominated Miguel for academic excellence because of all of his hard work on all of the different learning platforms and always showing up to all of our Google Meets and participating. And I am nominating Hannah for our empowerment and bravery. She shows up every day to every one of our meetings and is confident in speaking up when she doesn't get something or wants to add something. She shows up to all of my optional group meets to improve in every area that she can, and she is just working so hard and showing such courage at every moment of the day. Congratulations, you 2.
Hello, Whitman community. Mrs. Underwood here. I just want to take an opportunity to recognize 2 students this month. The first student who is getting the academic award is Genesis Diaz Garcia. And I am recognizing her for that because of all of her great work. She is consistently doing all her Seesaw activities, and she is making so much growth in math and reading, and I'm very proud of her. The second person today I would like to recognize is Adriel Reyes. Adriel is new to Whitman, and it's really hard being a new student and starting the year later than others, but he has risen to the challenge. He is showing bravery when lots of kids might be a little scared of meeting new people. He's made so many friends and has become such a big part of our class community. So great job, you 2, Genesis and Adriel. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the great work.
Hi, Whitman Wildcats. Miss Koth here. I'm super excited to share our 3rd grade award winners with you today. First, I am so thrilled to announce Naira Williams for our Bravery Award this month. Naira is so brave because she is always willing to be honest and raise her hand to ask for help and to let me know if she needs a little help with something. And she's also always willing to come to extra live meets one-on-one. She comes to every single small group. She participates in every activity. And even when an activity or a project might seem challenging, Naira always gets started. And then she just keeps going and asks for help when she needs it, and we work through it together. And she has just done such an amazing job of showing bravery with her schoolwork and then also with her classmates, raising her hand during live meets and sharing her thoughts and feelings. And we are just such a better class for that. So thank you for that bravery, Naira. We all appreciate you. I'm also really, really excited to share our award for academic excellence. That award is going to Jack Plambeck this month. I'm so excited for you, Jack. You always show academic excellence. Number one, he has read 187 books this year, both on Epic and Mayan, and he's sharing his thoughts and ideas about those books. He turns in every single Seesaw activity. He raises his hand during live meets. He shows his math workbook during math lessons and shares his ideas and solutions and his thinking. So thank you so much for all of that academic excellence. He never misses a small group meeting or a whole group meeting and is always tackling every project that we have this year. So thank you for that academic excellence, Jack. We are a better class because of you. Thank you so much, Naira and Jack.
Hello, I'm Mr. Ramsey. I teach 4th grade, and I would like to make 2 awards. I would like to recognize Destiny Reeves for achievement in bravery, for standing up and participating in our class meetings and getting to school every day. She's done awesome. Way to go, Destiny. I'd also like to make an award in academic achievement for Jessel Ann Felix. Jessel has made tremendous efforts in participating in our class meetings and really showing strong academic progress. Yay, Jessel.
Morning, Whitman Wildcats. I want to give a shout out this month to Jenny for academic achievement and to Ben for showing us all how to be brave during distance learning. Have a great break.
Hey Whitman Wildcats, Miss Locarno here with a Golden Recess Award for the month of December. And the winner goes to 2nd grade. I've been having so much fun with all grades, but 2nd grade, we've had such a great turnout every week. Keep coming, keep having fun, and I hope to see more of you Wildcats at Virtual Recess. Thank you.
Hi Wildcats, Mrs. Butler here. Now that Let's Get Reading is up and running and I am posting on Seesaw, I've been paying attention to who's been doing a great job of getting books and posting really interesting things on Seesaw for me, for my classes. And my class that is won for this month is Ms. Ness's kindergarten. Congratulations!
Whitman Wildcats, we are coming to you live from Miss Tara's art studio, and I am here to tell you who is the winner of the Golden Paintbrush. Yes, these artists have submitted over 157 pieces of art to the Seesaw program for art class. These artists show up for weekly live art on Thursdays, and basically these artists have been working really hard, making the world a better, more beautiful place. The recipients, that means the people who won, the artists who won this prestigious honor. Yes, it is the 2nd grade. The 2nd grade artists, all of you, Miss Mariko's and Miss McAleer's class, you are the winners of the Golden Paintbrush. Congratulations, you earned it.
Attention, Wildcats! The winner of this month's Golden Sneaker is Miss Koth's 3rd grade class. Yeah! You have been rocking it in live PE class, coming, exercising the whole time, having your camera on so I can see you moving. I'm so proud of you and happy for you. Can't wait to celebrate with you next week on Thursday at live PE.